doing a review on this soap scum remover, just spray and rinse, that I picked up from Home Depot called Rejuvenate. Rejuvenate, make it easy again. I guess that's who makes it. Let me put on the gloves now. Normally I don't care about cleaners. I just, toilets or cleaning, I don't put on gloves. But in this case, I don't know how toxic or how caustic this stuff is. It's a soap scum remover, so it's got to have something in there. This tub just looks terrible. There's no doubt about it. So I'm going to be using a brand new sponge and some of that Rejuvenate. Let me get the camera position better. If you like my videos, please do a thumbs up, a subscribe, a like. If there's a product you want me to review, if I can get a hold of it, I will try to do the review. And if you want to donate to my channel, ask for my PayPal info. So let's get this going now. All right, here we go. I've got the gloves on. And make sure I've got the camera showing what I want it to see, what I want you to see. So I guess this has got a spray thing on it. I don't know. There's a lot of dirt on this tub. There's a lot of, well, of course, I'm a guy, so of course there's going to be dirt. There's a lot of soap scum. Hopefully, I bought some of the stuff. I'm not going to mention the name. It starts with a Z that I bought from that store, and it smelled so bad I had to open up the windows and doors and get out for about half an hour. So I'm hoping that's not the case with this. It says just spray and rinse. Now I'm not going to do a spray and rinse. I'm actually going to do a spray and wipe. You always want to wipe. Wiping in life is the most important thing. I probably should. Okay, so this stuff's kind of strong, and they're trying to mask it with a some type of a scent. So I'm definitely not going to stay in the room that long. I just want to see what it does. Feels like it's melting off that soap. You know, soap is just, you just need a chemical to kind of dissolve soap to make it clean. Soap scum is not a big deal. You just need a strong enough chemical that's going to dissolve it all. So you don't want to be in the shower doing this with the fumes coming up to your nose. Don't turn on the water and take a shower and let all that steam from the hot water and the drain come up and shoot all these chemicals into your nostrils so that you end up in the hospital. Spray and rinse? I don't know if I would say spray and rinse. This tub definitely has a lot of dirt on it. And maybe this has already dissolved the soap, I don't know. I'm just kind of moving around on the tub a little bit so that I can definitely make an analysis of if this did what it was supposed to. To me, it looks like it is a soap scum remover, as it says, but I don't know if it's a cleaner. I think for a tub like this, I'd probably have to use a cleanser type thing. Let's see what it does on around here. This is really, and you can't see that in the video. So right over here is where there's a lot of soap scum. And I can see it right now. There's a lot of soap scum and there's a lot of stain. And I'm just going to go in here now and rinse. And we're going to see how valid this whole point about spray and rinse is. I'm not really sure that's true. Let's get the water on. Let's see if it made a difference. Let's see, how does it look? I can't do this while I've got the camera and the tripod in the way, so right in the corner over there, it's absolutely filthy with soap scum and dirt. I think down at the bottom you might be able to see, it just doesn't look white clean. Right down over, right over there. It doesn't look clean. So I'm going to go in there and spray the rest of this stuff on here and see, and then I'll give you my opinion what I think if it's good or bad. I'll test with the cleaner. I'm still not sure if I'm going to keep it. I know all of these are going to have a chemical smell, and unless you're going to use something like vinegar, you're going to be dealing with some of the stuff going in your lungs. And I'm noticing it now. Sorry, breathing through a towel. So I got this stuff sprayed on the plastic shower curtain, which is always one of the hardest things to clean. And it's very hard to clean these things. I sprayed it on the inside. I'm going to go pop some water on here now, see if this cleaned it. If it did, then I'll throw this in the garage, and I'll keep it just for the shower curtain. Otherwise, it will go in the trash. But it does seem to work. It is a soap scum remover, as it says, but it is not a cleaner. People, does it work? Yeah, it took the soap scum off the plastic curtain in no time, and this is really hard for me to clean. It's just a struggle to clean a plastic curtain. As I said before, it is a soap scum remover. Like it says, it is totally not a cleaner. The bathtub still looks really dirty and messy. Doesn't look good. Doesn't look clean. So not only is that soap scum, but that's dirt. And with something like this, I like to use Barkeeper's Friend. Works really good for taking off soap and cleaning the tub. So, but the curtain over here is really nice. And while I was doing this, I noticed I was not wearing a mask. And you should do that with any cleaning or chemical solution. I wasn't wearing a mask. And I noticed the inside of my nostrils was starting to burn a little bit. It was a little irritated. Irritate. Wasn't feeling good. So the bottle is now in the garbage can where it belongs, because I don't want to have to worry about having a clean bathtub and having destroyed lungs or nostrils because of it. So I'm not saying the product is a dangerous product or that it's bad. It's just not something that I want to use again. I've got the fan on, the ceiling fan to air this room out. I don't have a window in this bathroom, so there was no fresh air circulating through. And product, yeah, it definitely works. And as I said, I threw it away for health reasons. I don't want to deal with it. And as I'm talking right now and I'm breathing in through my mouth, I can feel it's kind of bothering my throat, my mouth a little bit. So not something I want to keep, especially for me, and I've got a dog. I don't want this stuff in my house, but it does work. So the choice is up to you. The decision's up to you. Thanks for watching.